Meet the Typhon Terror XVIII Prestige 2 Ton Mini Excavator, designed for tight spaces, perfect for gardens, farms, and parks. Drill, dig, grab, bulldoze, clean ditches, and break rocks. Kubota diesel power, 15.8 horsepower at 2,200 revolutions per minute, 20.4 horsepower at 3,600 revolutions per minute, reliable, durable, unstoppable. Easy controls plus 380 millimeter bucket plus smooth boom swing, luxury cabin comfort, ready to work, kit mini size, max impact, 2-ton capacity, 2,060 millimeters depth, 2,580 millimeters height, boom swing for tight spots. Unleash prestige. Dig with power. Typhon Terror XVIII. Excavation redefined.